These cheetahs are so pale, some are even spotless. The cheetah with a hunting technique similar to wild dogs than savanna cheetah, the rarest cheetah subspecies that can sadly go extinct in our lifetime, the Saharan cheetah. Little is known about this cheetah, as I've spent hours doing research, but all the known facts I've found are in this video. So watch till the end, as it's better to get familiar with a species while it's still alive, before getting extinct because it's near impossible to conserve it. So, let's begin. In the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert, a ghostly figure moves with silent grace, the Saharan cheetah. This magnificent creature is not just rare, it's extremely rare, teetering on the brink of extinction. With fewer than 250 individuals left in the wild, each sighting is a treasure. A treasure in which, then, many researchers dedicate their entire careers to studying these felines, yet may go years without a single sighting. The question often arises, are cheetahs considered big cats? Despite their impressive size and predatory nature, cheetahs, including the Saharan subspecies, are not typically classified as big cats in the traditional sense. The term big cats usually refers to members of the genus Panthera. These animals share the ability to roar, a trait cheetahs lack. Instead, cheetahs belong to the genus Acinonyx, of which they are the sole surviving species. This genus name, derived from Greek, means no-move claw, referring to the cheetah's unique semi-retractable claws that provide traction during high-speed chases. This distinct classification underscores the cheetah's unique evolutionary path, separate from other large felines. Within the cheetah species, Acinonyx jubatus, several subspecies are recognized. The Saharan cheetah, scientifically known as Acinonyx jubatus hecki, is one of these. Named after the German zoologist Ludwig Heck, this subspecies is distinguished not just by its geographic range, but by its genetic makeup. The genetic distinctiveness of the Saharan cheetah is a subject of intense scientific interest. Recent studies have revealed that this subspecies possesses unique genetic markers not found in other cheetah populations. This genetic divergence is likely the result of long-term isolation in the challenging Saharan environment, leading to specific adaptations. The preservation of this distinct genetic lineage is crucial for maintaining the overall genetic diversity of the cheetah species, making the conservation of the Saharan cheetah all the more critical. Appearance-wise, the Saharan cheetah stands apart from its savanna-dwelling cousins in several striking ways. And before I go on, guys, I want to be honest with you. I need your help to grow this fetus channel of mine, with only 5 seconds of your precious time. To subscribe and like. I'm waiting. Thank you very much. May God shower you with endless blessings. So the most noticeable difference is its pale coloration. While the typical cheetah sports a golden coat with distinct black spots, the Saharan cheetah's coat is much lighter, often described as pale fawn or even silvery gray. This lighter base color is an adaptation to the desert environment, helping to reflect the intense sunlight and regulate body temperature in the scorching Saharan heat. The spotting pattern of the Saharan cheetah is also distinctive. The spots are generally fainter and more sparsely distributed compared to other cheetah subspecies. This reduced contrast in coat pattern provides superior camouflage in the monotone landscape of sand dunes and rocky outcrops that characterize much of the Sahara. Perhaps most intriguingly, some Saharan cheetahs have been observed with nearly spotless coats. This extreme variation is exceedingly rare among cheetahs and represents the far end of the spectrum in terms of adaptation to desert camouflage. These ghost cheetahs, as they're sometimes called, blur almost seamlessly into the sun-bleached desert landscape, a testament to the power of natural selection in extreme environments. Anatomically, the Saharan cheetah shares the basic body plan of all cheetahs, but with some subtle differences. They tend to be slightly smaller than their savanna counterparts, an adaptation that may help with heat regulation in their hot habitat. Adult Saharan cheetahs typically stand 67 to 94 centimeters at the shoulder, compared to the 70 to 90 centimeters of savanna cheetahs. Their weight ranges from 21 to 72 kilograms, with males generally being larger than females. One of the most distinctive anatomical features of all cheetahs, including the Saharan subspecies, is their long tail. Measuring up to 80 centimeters in length, the tail makes up almost half the cheetah's total body length. This elongated tail serves a crucial function, acting as a rudder and counterbalance during high-speed chases and sharp turns. The tip of the tail is often marked with black rings, a feature that stands out even in the pale-coated Saharan subspecies. The coat of the Saharan cheetah, beyond its pale base color and reduced spotting, has other adaptations to desert life. The fur is generally shorter and sparser than that of other cheetahs, another adaptation to the hot climate. This thinner coat allows for better heat dissipation, crucial for survival in an environment where daytime temperatures can soar well above 40 degrees Celsius. The Saharan cheetah, a marvel of evolution, is renowned for its impressive speed. Like all cheetahs, it's capable of reaching speeds up to 93 km/h in short bursts. This makes it the fastest land animal on Earth. The cheetah's speed is a result of several anatomical adaptations: a flexible spine that allows for greater stride length, semi-retractable claws that provide traction, enlarged nostrils and lungs for increased oxygen intake, and an oversized heart and strong arteries to rapidly pump oxygen-rich blood to its muscles. But what truly sets the Saharan cheetah apart is its incredible endurance. Unlike its savanna-dwelling cousins, which rely on short, high-speed chases, the Saharan cheetah has adapted to maintain a steady pace over long distances. This endurance hunting technique is crucial in the vast open spaces of the Sahara, where prey might be scarce and widely dispersed. Endurance hunting involves pursuing prey at a sustainable speed for extended periods, sometimes for several kilometers. The cheetah's superior stamina eventually wears down its prey, which may initially outpace the predator but lacks the endurance to maintain high speeds. This hunting strategy is a testament to the Saharan cheetah's extreme adaptation to its harsh environment, where every calorie counts, and failed hunts could mean the difference between survival and starvation. Similar to wild dogs, this hunting technique is seen in African wild dogs and toles, and is the reason behind their success. The prey of the Saharan cheetah primarily consists of small to medium-sized desert-adapted ungulates. This specialization in desert-adapted prey underscores the cheetah's own extreme adaptations to its arid habitat. The scarcity and wide distribution of these prey species have likely contributed to the development of the cheetah's endurance hunting technique. Unlike their savanna relatives, Saharan cheetahs have adopted a largely nocturnal behavior. This shift to nighttime activity is a crucial adaptation to the extreme heat of their habitat. By hunting during the cooler night hours, the cheetahs conserve energy and water, both precious resources in the desert. This nocturnal lifestyle also aligns with the activity patterns of their prey, which often feed during the night to avoid the scorching daytime temperatures. Thermal regulation is another area where the Saharan cheetah excels. Their pale coat reflects sunlight, reducing heat absorption. They have also developed highly efficient sweating mechanisms and can tolerate higher body temperatures than many other mammals. Their lean bodies and efficient circulatory systems help manage heat, while their enlarged nasal passages allow for better cooling of blood flowing to the brain. The extreme adaptations of the Saharan cheetah extend beyond hunting and thermal regulation. They've developed highly efficient kidneys to conserve water, extracting maximum moisture from their food and producing highly concentrated urine. Their feet have adapted to the hot sand, with thicker pads providing insulation. Even their eyes have adapted, with enlarged tear ducts to protect against sand and enhanced night vision for their nocturnal lifestyle. The vast range of the Saharan cheetah is both impressive and challenging from a conservation standpoint. These cats roam across the Sahara Desert, with their territory spanning several countries including Algeria, Niger, Chad, and Mali. Individual cheetahs may have territories as large as 1,500 square kilometers, a necessary adaptation to the scarcity of resources in their environment. This vast range makes studying and protecting these animals incredibly difficult. Reproduction in such a harsh environment is a precarious affair. After a gestation period of about 93 days, a female Saharan cheetah may give birth to a litter of 2 to 4 cubs, fewer than their savanna counterparts. The smaller litter size is likely an adaptation to the limited resources of the desert environment. In the wild, Saharan cheetahs may live up to 10 years, though many don't reach this age due to the numerous challenges they face. The social flexibility of Saharan cheetahs sets them apart from their savanna-dwelling relatives. While cheetahs in other habitats often form small social groups, particularly among males, Saharan cheetahs tend to be more solitary. This is likely an adaptation to the scarcity of resources in their arid habitat, where grouping might be disadvantageous. However, they retain the ability to form temporary associations when beneficial, such as during mating season. The plight of the Saharan cheetah is dire. With fewer than 250 individuals left in the wild, it's considered one of the most endangered big cats in the world. Habitat loss due to human encroachment and desertification is a major threat. Climate change is exacerbating the already harsh conditions of their habitat. Human-wildlife conflict is another significant issue, as cheetahs occasionally prey on livestock, leading to retaliatory killings. Conservation efforts are underway, but face significant challenges. The vast range of the Saharan cheetah, spanning multiple countries, complicates coordinated action. Current efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and research to better understand this elusive cat. Some innovative approaches involve working with local communities to reduce conflicts and create sustainable livelihoods that don't threaten the cheetahs. Remote camera trapping has proven valuable in studying these elusive cats, providing crucial data on population sizes and distribution. Genetic studies are helping to understand the unique adaptations of this subspecies, information that could be crucial for its conservation. But a more rare cheetah is the Asiatic cheetah, the rarest and most beautiful cheetah that will sadly facing a bigger threat of extinction. Watch this video, and as always, stay curious, stay wild, and thank you very much for watching.